This is an unboxing review of the Groomsman Precision Trimmer. It comes with two interchangeable trimmer heads for the eyebrows, neck, ears, and nose. Details on how to acquire this product is in the description section. And I like this packaging. It's easy to read and clean. Now on to the unboxing. The manual picture does not reflect the product, but the information does. This is the trimmer base. It's already charged and ready to use out the box. That is the interchangeable heads and a little brush inside, as well as a thank you note on the box. That is the charge plug that it comes with. I'm going to give a live motor test with both trimmer heads. It's a wall and they usually cut good. I will do a update review in 6 months and we'll see if this product stands the test of time. I am Brother Black Spider. This is Brother Black Spider Reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace. Behold, this is the moment of truth. Alright, you heard the motor. Sounds powerful. Well, it is. I just used it. This trimmer cuts clear and cleanly, and it holds a charge good. As you've seen, it was ready to go out of the box. But let's be real. You won't need to use this every day. It's a strong chance you'll use it when you see a long nose or ear hair, possibly both. But the questions on this trimmer here are there. How long can it cut before I have to charge? Well, that question and more will be answered in the update review. Stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel.